Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on in to the video. Hi guys, today we have a super duper exciting video because I won a giveaway, and not just any giveaway, I won the McGrath giveaway, and I have no idea what's in the box actually, because when I entered this giveaway, it was a little bit ago, and I entered lots of giveaways, and honestly I just don't remember what was being given away. But she did ask me which blush shades I wanted to receive, so at first I thought I was just receiving the 2 blush shades, but ironically enough, this box seems a bit bigger than that, huh? I feel like 2 blushes could fit in something much smaller than this, so I feel like there might be more goodies inside, and I am just, I'm so excited. I honestly don't know what's in here, like I said, so I'm really excited to open this with you guys, and you guys get to see my reaction of everything. And also, the most exciting part is the fact that I haven't tried anything from McGrath, so everything is new to me, and I'm just, I'm over the moon. I'm so excited. I can't believe I won. This is so exciting. Now let's jump into the box. Got my trusty rusty knife right here. We're just gonna open her up and let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Guys, you have no idea. I did not expect to win this giveaway. Honestly, I never expected to win any giveaways, but I have won 2 recently. I won the Kylie Cosmetics one a few months ago, and now I won this one, and I'm just like, maybe my luck is getting better, because Raven used to have the worst luck, not only giveaways, with everything though. It was bad. But now, I won 2. So let's open her up. 1, 2, 3, voila! Let's see what is inside. I'm super duper excited, because again, I haven't tried anything from the brand, so everything is going to be new to me. So I'm just so excited. I've heard such great things about McGrath. Honestly, we all call her Mother Pat for a reason, right? She must be doing some killer things. So here we go. So we have a card, and right here it says, Raven, my beauty, I can't wait to see you. Blush without caution. Kisses, Pat. Oh my goodness, she actually signed this. Guys, that's actually really exciting. I'm going to keep this forever. So let's hop on into this box, and the first thing we're pulling out is this. This looks like 2 blushes. So what else is in this box? Because I'm not trying to peek, but I see some other things. Oh, I'm so excited. So these are 2 of the blushes. Let's open them up and see which shades they are. I know I picked 2 shades, but I honestly I don't know what's going on with the box right now, so I'm flustered, I'm excited, everything, all the emotions are rolling, and I just want to open these up and swatch them, so let's do that. The boxes are so pretty, I don't even want to hurt them. Oh my goodness. Okay, how do I open? Oh, they're so adorable. They open so nicely. They open like this. How fun is that? Okay, alright, so we have the McGrath blush right here, and this is the shade Desert Orchid. I did pick this one. This is a beautiful soft orange. I am just, hold on, let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a neutrally orange, and I am just, oh my goodness. I am going to zoom in so that way you guys can really see it, but oh, it's so pretty. The embossing of the roses, it's literally the prettiest thing. Okay, let me zoom in really quickly and swatch it for you. Wait, no. Let's open this one and then we'll swatch them. So this one should be the shade Electric Bloom if we went off of what I picked, and I'm just over the moon about it because it's supposed to be this bright, like reddish coral. I'm so excited, guys. I cannot wait to open this and see what it looks like in real life. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is that bright, like corally pink. It looks so pretty. I am going to zoom in now and show you some swatches because these are too pretty not to swatch. Both of those blushes are so pretty. I am just ecstatic right now. Honestly, I can't breathe because it's so exciting for me. Honestly, I'm like over here having an anxiety attack. Is it hot in here? Yes, it is. It's Florida. It's always hot. But it's hot in here for 2 reasons now. Alright, so diving back into the box, I'm just over the moon because I really just thought I was getting the 2 blushes, but now there's more, and I'm just like, Okay, I'm excited. Let's see what there is. Like, this is like a big surprise for me. I'm just oof. Oh my goodness, is this a lipstick? Okay, yeah, it is. It's a Lip Fetish Divinal Lip Shine. Oh, it's a lip gloss. Lip shine. That's what I'm gathering, at least, guys. A lip shine usually means a lip gloss, you know? Okay, so let's see. What does she look like? Beautiful packaging. Beautiful packaging. I will zoom in again whenever I get everything out because I don't want to keep going in and out, but I will show you everything up close and personal because it's just so exciting, and I bet you guys are excited to see it as well. So let's see. Ooh, okay, maybe it's a lipstick. Ooh, maybe it's just a shiny lipstick? I don't know, guys. Like I said, I've never tried the brand, so I'm not super familiar with the products because I do spend a lot of money on makeup, but like on certain products, and like I just haven't found the reason to purchase anything myself, but having this stuff might make me want to go back and buy more. Honestly, that's probably why they do giveaways, to be honest, but I'm just over the moon because I can't believe I actually won. I'm gonna swatch this at the end, so let's just continue on with the box for now, okay? Oh my gosh, there's another lip product! Ah, okay, this is the Lip Fetish okay, this is oh, sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. This is Flesh number 7. That's the name of this one, and this one is Rose 2. Okay, so let's see. Again, with that stunning packaging, I just love that so much. Ooh, this is more of a rosy color. Oh, that's so pretty. Again, I will be zooming in because I don't think you can really see it right now, but let me tell you, it's gorgeous. Then, what do we have? We have so much stuff in this box, guys. I'm freaking out, okay? I'm literally freaking out. What is this? This is the Matte Trance Lipstick. We have another lip product. I'm a fiend for lip products, guys. If you haven't seen my lipstick declutter, you guys might know that because I have a ton of lipstick. And honestly, I just love it. And this is in the shade Dream Lover. Okay. Ooh, we have that traditional, I do know what the traditional Pat McGrath packaging looks like, and that is this bad boy right here. It is so stunning. Okay, this is a traditional matte bullet. Okay, this is beautiful. A nice good neutral. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited to swatch these for you guys. Honestly, I really am. What else is there? Where else could there be? There's so many things. I'm overwhelmed with happiness right now. This is, oh, we did get a lip gloss. We got a lip gloss. Sorry, I'm really excited. When I saw the Shine lipsticks, I thought that they were going to be lip glosses, and I was like, oh, I want a lip gloss. And now I have a lip gloss, and yeah, I'm excited, okay? Obviously, I just did a little dance and a song, you know. We're having some fun over here, guys. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at that orange. I love orange so much. If you guys didn't know, orange is one of my favorite colors for makeup and just in general, but like especially lip products. So orange gloss. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon right now. Guys, I can't contain my happiness. I'm about to combust. Next. What is next? We have so many goodies in the box, and I am so excited, and I can't stop singing along. Okay, this is an Ultra Lip Pencil. Okay, we got a pencil. We got a lip pencil. And let's see what she looks like. Oh, and it comes with a sharpener. We love that. We absolutely love that. Oh my gosh, guys, I have a luxury Pat McGrath lip liner in my hands right now. I can't, okay? I can't. What is the shade? It is the shade Structure, I think. I believe the shade name is Structure. Let me make sure about that. Yes, the shade name is Structure, and it's just beautiful. I mean, obviously, I'm going to have to zoom in for this one because it's a lip pencil. You're not going to see it from far away, but you'll see it up close, and we'll get there in a second. We have so many lip products to swatch. I am over the moon. Like I said, guys, I really thought I was just getting the 2 blushes. I'm just like, my heart, man. There is something else. Guys. Did we get eyeshadow palettes? I will scream. Fair warning, if there's an eyeshadow palette in this box, I will be screaming. Your eardrums will burst. Just saying. I'm giving you that fair warning now because I don't know what this is, but if it is, I'm gonna lose it. Okay, I'm sorry, I screamed. I know, it's not only an eyeshadow palette, but it's also a highlighter. If y'all know Mommy loves highlighters. Mommy lets everything shiny, and also, I've been dying to try the eyeshadow formula from Pat McGrath because I hear it is divine. I'm sorry, I had to throw in that cheesy joke because it was fitting, wasn't it? Anyways, okay. We'll open the highlighter first, even though I can't test it. I can't really tell you which one I'm more excited for because I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon for both of these. I love highlighters. Y'all know I have so many in my collection, but a luxury highlighter, don't have very many of those. So let's see what this is. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the shade Golden Nectar. That sounds freaking beautiful. I don't even know what it looks like yet, but it sounds freaking gorgeous, doesn't it? Okay, we gotta calm down. We have to restrain ourselves. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. That's gonna look so good on my skin tone too. Guys, you have no idea how excited. I cannot wait to swatch this. Okay. We're having a good day today. We're having a great day today, if I will say so myself. I literally have my entire desk filled with Pat McGrath products. Never thought I'd be this woman, but I am, and I'm just so happy to be. And for free, I won this. This is all mine. Don't mean to brag, but I'm just so happy. I really am. So let's open this eyeshadow palette because it's an eyeshadow palette. I'm like freaking out. I just sat here and told you how much I love lip products. I just sat here and told you how much I love blush. And I just sat here and told you how much I love highlighter. So honestly, we're getting everything I love. But my favorite product of makeup of all time is eyeshadow. So this is the most exciting part. And I just can't wait to see what this looks like in real life because, again, never tried the brand, but I've had them on my wish list for quite some time and I know what their palettes look like. They are so beautiful. But in person, no. I have no idea what they look like in person because, again, I haven't been able to afford it. Pat, you just made my whole year. Hope you know that. No, you really did just make my whole year. Oh my gosh, look at it. You're probably thinking, oh, it's kind of neutral. Yes, it is, but from luxury Pat McGrath, if I'm gonna have a neutral palette, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, I'm trying to contain myself. I'm really trying, but I just can't. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're swatching everything. Let's get into it. known I was getting like a full face of makeup in this box, I would have just done my makeup with you guys with these products, because I basically did get everything. I mean, oh, obviously not a full face, but I got a lot, and I'm just so over the moon and happy, and now I kind of wish I hadn't done my makeup. I might just take it all off and, you know, do another look, because all of this looks so beautiful. Those swatches have my heart. Honestly, getting this lip gloss got me so excited because my friend Giovanna has the mini set and she said that they're amazing and they smell so good, and they do. They smell just like candy, and oh my god, they're so sweet. But I'm just so happy I finally have one because I've wanted one of her glosses since I've heard Giovanna rant and rave about them. So now I have one in a full size and I'm just living my best life over here. And it's like an orangey color. This is just so pretty. What shade is this? Totally forgot to tell you the shade name on this one. It is called Earth Angel, and it's a perfect name because it really is an angel on earth, because I'm just so happy to have it. Oh my goodness. Everything looks so freaking stunning. That eyeshadow palette. Again, neutrals are one thing, but it has 3 shimmers and only 1 matte, and that is my cup of tea, because if you know me, I love everything glitzy, shiny, glam, shimmer, heavy, everything. So I am just so happy, and those shimmers look absolutely unreal. I know I've heard so many like people rant and rave about her special formula, and I think I have the one. It's so beautiful. The reflex are just, I'm obsessed with it, honestly. I am really impressed. The only thing I will say is these blushes and the highlight compacts, like opening them is kind of difficult. Regardless, it's all so beautiful, and I am just so happy to have it, and I am just so thankful. So I think this was Pat McGrath's birthday giveaway, which, I mean, that's so awesome. I mean, happy birthday to you, and thank you for the birthday gift, I guess. It was amazing because I genuinely forgot what was in the giveaway, and I went and looked for the post, but I think it was taken down because I won and she didn't want anybody continuously, you know, entering. I'm not really sure, but I couldn't find it, so I really didn't know what I was getting. So in my head, when they asked me what color blushes I wanted, because they said to pick 2, I just thought I was getting 2 blushes. So I was like over the moon with just that. But this is unreal. I did not expect this whatsoever, and I am just so happy. I can't explain how happy I am. But I hope we had some fun opening this together. I hope you enjoyed my reaction, because I enjoyed my reaction. But that's gonna do it for me today. I hope that you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.